Hello, Dr. Kimby at the Hammond Doc. I'm working on a Leslie 147 amplifier, and this particular amplifier has rivets that hold in the filter can, multi-filter can capacitor, and I'm removing the rivets from this socket so that I can replace it with screws. All right, so this is what I'm going to use in replacement of the in place of the rivets, and I will need these spacers as well. Okay, so what I've done so far is I've used my drill. Here's my drill right here, and I simply take the drill and drill and drill right here, and it drills the rivets right out. Use a metal bit. That's all it takes. Here's the metal bit, and you'll see what happens here. This thing just falls apart. See that part right? That's the part of the thing that holds the rivet there. So that just comes apart. Then I'm able to pry the socket. Hey. All right. So now I can move this right here. Let's see, look at this little part right there. Little part. So let's turn it over and see what happens. Let's see this right here. So the washer's out of that thing. Okay. All right, so here you go. Let me move this mirror up a little bit. My light. Okay. That hole went right through there. Right, so that's what I had to do. So now I have a hole here, and I'll clean that hole up, and this will push right on out. Then I'll be able to put this thing back together. I'll come back after I've done a little work here with the next part of this project. Until then, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.